Welcome to another in our series regarding scholarly habits of Greek exegesis. This is Habit 4, Scholarly Debates on Greek Exegetical Commentaries. We're looking at scholarly debates on words or text in 2+ exegetical commentaries, and we want to be able to use multiple commentaries. Now, the requirements for Greek exegetical commentaries are that it examines the Greek text, provides original translation, and provides examination of the Greek text in footnotes, or in FF proofs, it may be in actual initial text. Quality depends on age. Primary is recent scholarship, probably in the last 40 years. Secondary is 30+ years older. And historical is really much older than 100 years. Now, the discussion is an expansion of the interpretive answer. It's based on observations, question groupings regarding words or verses in the text, and it's based on different types of sources. First, when you start to work with an exegetical comment, you must work with the text by yourself as an individual, and then compare and contrast the commentary's comments. Be familiar with the observation and question pair in the text and read from the original source. Then look at the commentaries. When you work with the commentaries, summarize them. What's important? What are the key points? What are the key scriptures? What is the way that this commentary is unique? And synthesize multiple commentaries by comparing, contrasting, and giving key points of each. That will help you gain a substantive scholarly mechanisms by which you can discuss. If you're doing a post, how do you break this down? Well, summarize in a post of 150 to 200 words. You have a short amount of time. Summarize the key points of the commentaries in 35 to 50 words. Compare and contrast all of the commentaries at 50 to 100 words. And then give you a so what, 30 words. You're looking at probably 2 to 3 sentences per commentary for the key point. It will be a narrow point. This word does X in a post. If you contrast, you need to say, well, this commentary 1 by Fee says this, commentary 2 by, in contrast, commentary by Bruce says such. But you must come to a so what. Now, if you're in an exegetical format, you have to have at least 3 commentary entries. And so you have to, again, summarize them. The paper is not that long, so remember these commentaries must give the key points related to the passage, the verse and the passage you looked at. Synthesize by providing compare, contrast, and then so what. And determine what it means as the so what for your question, your theoretical question for your post and your issue. Now, example, what outline is the best among the First Thessalonians in exegetical commentaries? See the summary of the outlines I've posted with this paper in week, that's an expansion of the discussion forum we did in week 3 in this course. In example 2, what's exegetical commentaries are best for Thessalonians 2, 1 through 16? We'll do that in discussion forum 6 in week 6. So what's most important in the discussions is understanding all the viewpoints. You make a determination on what's best for you only so that you have a focus to say, to provide a comparison. You may say, this provides this and is good, but on the other hand, this provides this, and together they work well together. That's a synthesis premise answer, like we discussed in video 3, that says, okay, we're going to say we agree on this answer based on these points, and this is why it's important. But on the other hand, here's another answer based on these points, and it gives us this answer. it's great to come to two various points because the text is rich and the commentaries are equally rich. Do make sure that what you're understanding is all points and you come to a so what, so you force yourself to understand what's relevant in the text. Well, next we'll go through Habit 5, Scholarly Debates on Two Theological Papers. Notice we're working toward that exegetical paper, which is really an imagined debate you will be having with three commentary authors, at least three scholarly authors, plus the text, plus a few other authors you work on. So I look forward to meeting you again as we discuss Habit 5, Scholarly Debates on Two Theological Papers.